How to fix no sound after Bluetooth connection in Windows 10. In this video, we will teach you how to fix Bluetooth audio problems on Windows 10. Let's take a look at 2 ways to solve the problem: manually, using our step-by-step instructions; automatically, using our free utility, which will help you to solve the problem in few clicks. Let's start with the option 2. It's the fastest way. Please download the utility from the link in the description. Don't worry, the utility was created by our developer to solve the problems. It doesn't contain any harmful files. It is absolutely free. Launch the utility. Press the button Fix and Install. The utility will automatically perform such actions as checking PC support Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth support service, install Bluetooth audio as default playback device, adjust sound volume for default playback device, update device drivers. Done! Let's take a look at how to fix this issue manually. Method 1. Check the Bluetooth support service. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus R. This should open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc, then hit Enter. Once you've got the services window up, look for the Bluetooth support service and double-click it. Number 3. From the drop-down menu, select Automatic. You can now launch the Bluetooth support service by clicking the Start button. Confirm the changes you've made by clicking Apply and OK. Method 2. Use the troubleshooter for playing audio. Go to the taskbar and click the search icon. Type Audio Playback inside the box, then select Find and Fix Audio Playback. This should open the Audio Playback troubleshooter. Click Next. The troubleshooter will now find and repair audio playback issues. Use the troubleshooter for Bluetooth devices. Click the search icon on the taskbar. Type Troubleshoot, then hit Enter. You will find a list of troubleshooters in the right pane. Scroll down until you find the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Click Bluetooth, then press Run the troubleshooter. The program will detect issues and start repairing them. If the troubleshooter is not able to fix the error, it will provide additional suggestions on how to resolve it. Method 4. Updating your drivers. You could perform the update manually through Device Manager or by visiting the official website of your device manufacturer to search for each one of your drivers. It's a long and complicated process. Use a special software to update drivers. If you do not have one, we recommend you use Auslogics Driver Updater to scan for all outdated and faulty drivers on your PC. It will automatically install the latest manufacturer-recommended versions. You'll find a link to the Driver Updater in the description. Do you need to fix other PC issues? Let us know in the comments below, and we might feature the solution in our next video. Video was created by Auslogics Labs, the leading developer of Windows optimization software.